नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है टीपीएम अवेयरनेस सेशन के लॉस 7 डिफेक्ट एंड रिवर्क लॉस। TPM loss 7 defect and rework loss. This loss occurs when products are rejected, reworked, scrapped, repaired due to quality problems during production. What is the impact on factory? Increased rejection cost, higher rework manpower, material wastage, customer complaints, reduced OE performance and delivery delays. Quality problems today, big losses tomorrow. TPM approach to reduce this loss. Root cause analysis like YY fishbone diagram you use, OKA implementation, standard operating conditions, autonomous maintenance, periodic calibration, process capability monitoring, 1-point lesson O like OPL, defect trend monitoring. Systematic approach, zero defect, maximum performance. OE relationship with this loss. OE formula, OE is equal to availability into performance into quality. Simple example, production 1000 parts, rejected 50 parts, rework 20 parts, good parts 930. So improve quality rate, improve OE, zero defect, maximum performance. Typical TPM KPI, measure, analysis, improve. PPM rejection, rework, first pass in customer complaints and COPQ. Track KPI, reduce losses, achieve excellence. Short term TPM training line, machine running is not enough. Zero defect production is the target. Our goal, first time right, zero defect, zero rework, high quality, happy customer. TPM today, excellence every day. If you found this video useful, please like, comments, subscribe this channel for more TPM and OE tips. Next video, KK pillar loss, 8 shutdown loss. Thank you very much. We'll meet again.